Hi, in this video, I will tell you how to integrate any platform with ProductDyno using Zapier. You must ensure the platform you want to integrate already has Zapier integration. For your information, Zapier has 5,000 plus platform integration, and chances are high that you can find your platform integration with Zapier. Now, to connect your platform, select Global Integrations from the right side menu. Click on Others Integrations. Click Connect on the Zapier. Note, if you have not logged into your Zapier account yet, you may ask for your ID and password to log in first. Once you enter the login details, you will redirect to the invitation page. Click on the button Accept Invite and Build Zap. Once you click the button, you will be redirected to the Zapier home page. Before we begin, to better understand how this will work, you need to know what you want to do and what you want to connect. For example, I want to add a member to my Google Sheet anytime a new member is created inside my product. I am using Google Sheets to connect with ProductDyno just for the sake of this video. You can add anyone. On your Zapier home page, click on the Create Zap button. Search for the ProductDyno app. Select the latest version of ProductDyno app from the list. Select Member Created Product as an event, and click the Continue button. Here you need to log in again to allow Zapier access your ProductDyno account. Click on Sign In, and you will be asked for API keys to give access. Go back to your ProductDyno account. Click on your profile from the top right side and select My Account. Scroll down, and here you have an option to create an API. Click Add API Key button. Give a title, Zapier, and click Create button. Copy the API, go back and paste it inside the required field, and click the Yes Continue button, and click the Continue button again. Now, if you click the product field, you will see all products you have in your account. Select the product from the list, and click the Continue button. Now, you're asking to test the trigger you have configured so far to confirm that the right account is connected and your trigger is set up correctly. Click on the Test Trigger button to see whether you're receiving the right member data. That's great. Our trigger is working correctly. Click the Continue button to continue the process. Let's create an action now. Search for an app you want to connect or take action in. In my case, it's Google Sheets. Select an event you want to perform. In case I want to add a member to my Google Sheets, and click the Continue button. Here, things may go differently on your screen. For example, you may ask for the platform's login credentials you select. Once you enter all the credentials, select the account. Click the Continue button again. Select the drive. And then, in the following field, select the spreadsheet where I want to send the data. And then select the worksheet. Now, when I select the following worksheet, all the fields in my sheet will pop up. Select every field, and you'll see the member data from ProductDyno. Select the data according to your need, and click the Continue button. If you want to test your Zap, click Test and Preview button, and see your platform whether you're receiving member data or not. Here is a sheet, and you'll see the member's data, which means your Zap is working correctly. Click on Publish Zap, and you're done. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the following video.